Alright guys, one more video today. This is problem 47, same problem set. This is an example of using the half angle formula. Alright, so one more, bear with me, and then you can get back to your social distancing and your other schoolwork that you guys got to work on, alright? So, before I get going on this, just want to give you guys a quick shout out. Thank you for your patience and your understanding, because I know that learning this way is difficult. Teaching this way is difficult as well. So if you guys have any suggestions for me, let me know, message me, email me, or comment on Google Classroom, and we'll try to, figure this out together. Right? But I want to let you guys know I'm here for you. If you need any help on different problems and stuff like that, please reach out. All right, so half angle formula. Oop, almost lost the camera there. So in this problem 47, we're looking to find the half angle formula using sine. So we have sine theta over 2, and they gave us this triangle. So we can kind of use our side lengths of 3, 4, and 5 to help us out. In red, I wrote the expansion of the half angle formula. Again, this is on page 679. It might be useful to go back and kind of check on that. That was me flipping the page on the textbook in front of me, just so you guys can go back to check 679. It's very useful having those resources available. So I wanted to do this one because in particular, I think some of you guys are having trouble simplifying this radical. So when we do this, we're going to put in sine of theta over 2 is equal to square root of 1 minus cosine theta over 2. Well, first, looking at this triangle, I know what the cosine of theta is. The cosine of theta is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So I'm going to rewrite this as sine theta over 2 is equal to radical 1 minus 4 over 5 all over 2. Notice that 2 is inside of the square root symbol. And that 4 over 5 comes from the cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse. All right? So, now we're going to go ahead and just simplify this work in here. 1 minus 4 fifths, well, that's simply 1/5. All right? 1 minus 4 fifths is 1/5. So, we're going to rewrite this 1/5 all over 2. And again, this whole complex fraction is inside the radical. Now, when we simplify, right, we have a complex fraction. We're going to take care of that complex fraction first, then I'll deal with the rationalizing the radical. So, kind of come over here. We'll kind of just move it over to the right. And simplifying this, I would get 1 over 10, all in the square root symbol still. Right? Again, multiplying 1/5 by the reciprocal of 1 over 2. Now, when I take the square root of each of these terms, I would, in fact, get the square root of 1, which is 1 over the square root of 10. Now, naturally, that answer is not rationalized. So, we're going to look to rationalize this final answer. So, to rationalize this final answer, we can take 1 over radical 10 and multiply top and bottom by radical 10. This would simplify to be radical 10 over 10. And that is our final answer. Right? So, again, look it over, replay this video as needed, and tackle some of the practice problems related to it. All right, guys, good luck.